Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-405T-DN-NEG-WR. And this is a 4-inch, 4-digit. The 5th digit is a negative sign that appears after it passes through the end of period, 0. And it is a countdown timer, minutes and seconds only, that does have a wired remote control for setting, and then also redundant controls for what you see the remotes on there on the left. Those are a red topped button that gets connected to terminal blocks in the back, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But this was produced for Dana Corporation for their assembly line, and they're going to be using this to time some sort of production period that is preset through the remote. The remote is just a handheld remote, and we normally put on 25-foot of cord, RJ45 connector. It is modular, so you can unplug it and plug it back in conveniently. And you can set it has the minutes set on here, so I'll just push that once and then push it again to stop. And then you can set the seconds, same manner. Push once to start the set procedure, and then push again to stop it. You can 0 the seconds or minutes, and then you can go to the last value. So if I go to 2, I start it, and then I stop it, and then I can go to the last value, and it goes back to the preset value. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off, turn it back on, just kind of give you an idea of the checksum on all the electronics, and all the digits and all the segments. As you can see, it's running through, making sure everything's lit up. This is a modification done to our other DC-405 NEG timers that we have on our website. We have capabilities of programming these for various inputs and outputs, and this is just one of them that we're demonstrating here. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll program it for, let's say, 5 minutes. And then I'm going to demonstrate the push button switches on the left to kind of give you an idea of what they do, how they perform. And they get, I'm going to go ahead and they get connected to this terminal block that we have. I don't know if you can see it. And there's 3 positions there. And then this attaches to the back plate and of the timer. So we have one terminal block for, and these are contact closures. It can handle P&P also, inputs. So that starts it, and then now that's disabled, so they can't stop it from that one. They have to stop it from this one, and then they can't restart it. They have to reset it. So this is going to reset it to the last value, and then that's how the assembly line works. And the functionality of their timing, stop and then reset. I'm going to go ahead and set, let's say, 10 seconds on the controller to give you an idea of how it goes into the negative, and then also demonstrate the end of period. So I'm going to 0 out the time. I'm going to put in, let's say, put in 5 seconds. I didn't push it. There we go. Okay. Go ahead and start it. And what happens is that once it gets down to 0, it's going to fire the end of period, as you're going to hear here in a minute. Flashes the display. Flashes the display. Also gives you an indication by flashing display that now it's counting up. And also it's in overtime, what we would call overtime, or past the countdown time. And this gives the manager indication that, you know, things are not moving maybe as smoothly or on time as efficiently as possible. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and I'm demonstrating a modification for the DC-405 405T-DN-NEG-WR. Thanks for watching.